It's the best time of the year. I can't wait to do this.
Hey honey, ain't you supposed to thaw out the turkey before you fry it?
No, I do this all the time.
I'm pretty sure you do.
Yeah, you just worry about that.
Dad, what are you doing?
Kids! This is for cooks only. Michael, you get a little bit older, I'll show you everything I know.
Oh my god! Pass the plates, okay?
Your stuffing goes so well with this sweet and sour chicken. Come on guys, dig in, come on.
What happened to the turkey?
You're gonna have to ask the cook.
Hi, I'm Los Angeles County firefighter Craig Little with some holiday safety tips. Have a fire extinguisher in the kitchen in case of an emergency. When cooking a turkey or meals that require a long time, stay home and check on it frequently. Be cautious when wearing aprons or loose-fitting clothing over an open flame because it could ignite and catch fire. Pot holders, oven mitts, wooden utensils can also be dangerous, so make sure they're away from the stove or any household appliances that can generate heat. Please remember to keep children away from the stove. One tip is to create activities for kids in another room, such as arts and crafts or movies. Keep knives, cooking thermometers, or any other sharp objects out of children's reach, especially matches and lighters. It's always best to store them in a locked cabinet. Make sure kids stay away from hot foods and liquids because they can cause serious burns. Be sure cords from electronics such as an electric knife, coffee maker, mixers, or crock pots are not dangling within children's reach. For more information, go to Los Angeles County Fire Department's website.